Hey guys, welcome back to another extreme organization with me. Today I'm going to be working in the kitchen and I am going to be tackling my refrigerator. There is a giant snowstorm that just hit Montana, so we went sledding today, we had hot cocoa, and we've just been like doing laundry, cleaning the house. It's President's Day and tomorrow is our first day back to school after a 5-day break. So I went grocery shopping and also got a bunch of stuff to reorganize my refrigerator, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with that. I have all my stuff over here. I'm gonna show you in a minute. I'm first gonna take everything out of my refrigerator because I also need to sanitize and wipe the whole thing down, and I'm gonna show you guys before and after, of course, but let's get right into it. You guys, look what I'm drinking right now. Yummy. Just, you know, off subject there for a second. So right here, right off the bat, I have this egg container, which I already had. This one, I have 2 of these, so it's 2 dozen. And then I got this. This is kitchen pantry storage. And then the other one I got is this one right here. I love this. I already know, I think I'm gonna put my lettuce in here. I love the fact that it has this little temperature control on the top to let in so much air circulation. And then I got this one right here, which is really cool because it has dividers that you can take out or leave in. So if I wanted to do exactly what this says, which we have watermelon, we have blackberries and strawberries and oranges. So I'm gonna really love this one. And then I have some groceries out already right here that we have not been able to put away because the fridge is so full. We just did a Costco run and I picked up some of this, which we love. My kids love this. And then I have a bunch of fruits and vegetables that I need to wash. So I'm gonna wash everything, but I'm gonna spare you guys that. So I'm just gonna get everything washed and ready to go to start organizing. Okay, you guys, so here is a before. It's really bad, I think. I have like lettuce right here with eggs stacked on top. I have tons of leftover containers. My strawberries are right here. I have this huge box of monkey drinks. Oops, sorry guys. And everything is just stuffed in here. It is like a stuffed sardine. Nothing is organized. It's absolute chaos. So let's get this done. And it's really dirty, you guys. Like, look in here at these messes. It is so bad. I mean, it's been a while since I've cleaned this out, so we need to get this done. Like, look at all the crumbs in here. It is just crazy, crazy mess. I'll take everything out and I'll show you guys how dirty it was before as well. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, this is probably, I don't even have words for this. I'm like trying to comprehend how all of this food even fit in my refrigerator. It's like bigger than the refrigerator. I have a lot of work to do, guys, okay? And I forgot a drawer here. So here's some more. Got kitty food, some butter, which we need out for a recipe that I'm doing. And I need this egg for a recipe. We'll just put that right there. I have a really good banana chocolate chip recipe that I'm gonna do. But I just wanted to show you guys how bad this is. These are like little garlic cloves. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at how bad this is. This is like months of being sick and by myself with kids and not able to get to this. Yeah, this is disgusting. There is like a hair in here and it's not mine. So yeah, we are gonna take all of these bins off. I'm gonna take all the drawers out and wash them in the sink. And oh my goodness. Wow, what exploded back here? I have no idea. It looks like coffee. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna like switch around these shelves to see what I can do about making some more room, because this is crazy and I'm gonna have to do this like really fast so that all my food doesn't get too cold. So here we go, guys. Okay, you guys, that was so much food. Now you can see here I am starting to take all the drawers out and start to sanitize. But I just wanted to pop in real quick and ask you guys if you have had a challenging time with cleaning in general, or just keeping like a cleaning schedule or a routine. I totally understand the season you're in right now. I am currently coming out of the chaos of not staying focused and on a schedule. I have a few tips for you that I've learned from some professional cleaners and cleaning companies recently that I checked out. So I'm going to share those with you coming up.
All I need to know is that we'll roll with the punches.
Okay, now that I am done wiping down the inside of the refrigerator, I'm going to move over to the kitchen sink and start to rinse out and wipe down and sanitize all of the drawers and shelves that go in the refrigerator. So I wanted to share some scripture with you guys just for a little pick-me-up. And also, I always love to spur my fellow sisters in Christ. If I have any of you following me, I hope that if you're a believer, that you find this inspiring and helpful, and to help spur each other on. I would love for you to share some of your favorite verses in the comment section that are geared towards motherhood and just positive thinking, positive mindset, entrepreneurship, you know, all of those things that we need when we are moms in this day and age. So I'm going to start here with, it is actually June 19th right now, and this video I filmed more than a few months ago, but I am still working hard to get out and be creative and get out for you guys videos that I love to do. So here we go. I am the firm foundation on which you can dance and sing and celebrate my presence. This is my high and holy calling for you. Receive it as a gift. Glorifying and enjoying me in a higher priority than maintaining a tidy, structured life. Give up your striving to keep everything under control, an impossible task, and a waste of precious energy. My guidance for each of my children is unique. That's why listening to me is so vital for your well-being. Let me prepare you for the day that awaits you and point you in the right direction. I am with you continually, so don't be intimidated by fear. Though it stalks you, it cannot harm you as long as you cling to my hand. Keep your eyes on me, enjoying peace in my presence. And you can follow that up by reading Psalms 5:11, Ephesians 3:12 through 21, 3:20 through 21, Jude 24 through 25, Joshua chapter 1:5. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I really love to follow up the affirmation for the day or the devotional of the day to the Bible and see where God is speaking to me even further. And I hope that you guys can look at this as something that I am sharing from a place of struggle or challenges in my own life, and that you don't feel alone. And I always love to see comments in the comment section. It helps me not feel alone, and I feel like sharing more of these raw, vulnerable parts of ourselves as mothers, stay-at-home moms, work-from-home moms, all the mom stuff. It doesn't matter what you do for a living, or if you strictly stay at home and your living is being a mom and running a household and the finances and all of those things, you are still worthy and valued. I just want Okay, you guys, so I have all of my stuff clean right here, and I am going to start putting everything back in. Everything is totally clean. I'm so excited. Get everything back in. Okay, you guys, so before I start putting all the groceries back in, I'm gonna start putting all my organizational stuff in there first, so all my bins, and see where I want them to go. I am like sweating, you guys. I'm so hot. Selah had the heater on and I didn't realize it, and then I was like, why is it getting so hot in here? And I'm missing an earring. Things are getting crazy, but we gotta get all of this stuff back in like in a hurry because everything has just been sitting out for a while. And so I'm gonna start right now getting all the bins in. Okay, you guys, so here is an after. Look how clean. I have like a little bit of water drops in some spots, but it's all brand new refrigerator again, it feels like. I love doing this, you guys. It's a lot of work, and while you're doing it, you're just like, oh my gosh, this is gonna take forever. But then once you do it, everything is so clean. I'm also gonna change the air filter on here, and also maybe change the air filter. Usually this fridge lets us know when we need to change that, but I am going to start putting my eggs in their containers and get this done. I'm gonna start with like kind of the easiest stuff first. Five ways self-care benefits you and your marriage and your home life. Number 1, it reduces stress. Number 2, you have a deeper connection with your husband and yourself. When you love yourself, you love your husband better. Number 4, you are more present in your marriage. Number 5, as you give each other space, your marriage flourishes.
When I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you, it will break through. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? Oh, was it a rainbow falling?
Now I am reloading the refrigerator, putting everything back in, reorganizing, making it a little bit more functional. I changed around some of the shelves in there, and also having the organization bins has helped us so much as a family. But I also wanted to talk about when I am filming, I just want to let you guys know, if you do this at home, to make sure you take breaks to eat dinner, lunch, or breakfast and drink water while you're working. In the beginning of this video, I showed you a big glass of lemon water with mint that I had, and I always do that when I start a project like this. I always make sure I have fresh, cold water with some kind of fresh herbs and refreshments or like hors d'oeuvres, you know, little snacky things like a snack tray, just a nibble here and there to keep me energized, keep my sugar going good. My main goal in my videos is to remind moms, because I need the reminder as well, to take care of myself. And we cannot have enough moms helping other moms remember to drink water, eat, take care of yourself, take a shower. You know, those are the basics. Beyond that, it's get your hair done, get your nails done if you have the money, if you can afford it, if you have a friend that does hair, if you can trade, find a way to get what you need to make you feel like you are taken care of as much as you take care of your family, because this is not for the faint at heart. If you're a mom and you're listening to this, you know what I'm talking about. Just the day in and day out overload of noise and just, you know, the beck and call constantly to your kids. If you get breaks here and there, it's really good, but just make sure you do some research on water and mental health. So I worked in a water store back in the day when I had my massage clinic, and the science behind water and mental health is just phenomenal. If you look into it, your depression and anxiety can be really, really, really reduced with drinking plenty of water. So I thought I'd share that little tidbit with you guys and get ready to move into organizing some more things here in the future. I'm going to be doing my freezer because, you know, we forget to do the freezer for some reason. And my freezer, I just looked in there, it does not look very happy in there. So we'll be doing that one next. I have a freezer in my garage. We have the deep freezer, so I need to clean that out as well and defrost it. So I am probably going to incorporate those two things into one video if you guys are interested in that. So summertime is the best time to defrost your refrigerator because you can take everything out, put it in your ice chests, in your Yeti cup or your Yeti coolers, and then let your freezer defrost, put everything back in. That's a little trick that I have for you for that. Anyways, let's get into finishing up this refrigerator and listening to some music, you guys.
Wasn't I meant to lie in your arms here for a while? I'm alive and I take you in. I've been falling, calling. When I reach out, you will hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you, it will break through. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? Oh, was it a rainbow falling? and I'm falling, calling. When I reach out, you'll hold on. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? When I touch you, it will break through. Was it a rainbow falling? Was it a rainbow falling? I've been falling and I've been calling. Oh, was it a rainbow falling?
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings.
Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna end the video here. I just took out all of the garbage. You guys, I feel like I need one of these right here. I need a beer or a glass of wine. I am so exhausted. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna be honest. This took me, with kids, no babysitter, my husband's out of town, about 6 hours. Yeah, so we'll see how fast I get this video edited and up for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.